welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to find and delete all viruses on your iPhone in under 60 seconds. While actual viruses are rare on iOS device due to Apple's sandboxing security, malicious scripts or app can still cause issues. And in order to fix them, what you can do is clear your browser. And in order to fix them, there are some key things that you can do. And in order to fix them, there are some key things that you can do, like clearing your browser data, deleting suspicious apps, or checking for malicious profiles. In order to clear your browser data, go to your settings, scroll all the way down, and go to your apps. Here you can delete unwanted apps, or if you want to clear your browser data, go to Safari and you want to scroll down until you see an option called clear history and website data. Click here and your history will be cleared. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.